Hello everyone, welcome to this video of English for 11th year high school students. Today we're going to go over the vocabulary for food and recipes. So how this is going to work is that I am going to pronounce 2 or 3 times how the word should sound, and then here you're going to have the definition of the word and some examples, whether it's a verb or a noun or in some cases an adjective, and here we have it in Spanish what it means. So let's start. Peel, peel, peel. Snack, snack, snack. Dish, dish, dish. Plate, plate, plate. Fork, fork, fork. Napkin, napkin, napkin. Spoon, spoon, spoon. Knife, knife, knife. Glass, glass, glass. Bowl, bowl, bowl. Cup, cup, cup. Grate, grate, grate. Grease, grease, grease. Ground, ground, ground. Cheap, cheap, cheap. Dice, dice, dice. Mince, mince, mince. Quick, quick, quick. Ripe, ripe, ripe. Seed, seed, seed. Tasty, tasty, tasty. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Salty, salty, salty. Fry, fry, fry. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Fragrant, fragrant, fragrant. Easy, easy, easy. Dried, dried, dried. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Cream, cream, cream. Cut, cut, cut. Raw, raw, raw. Chop, chop, chop. Simmer, simmer, simmer. Boil, boil, boil. Bland, bland, bland. Whip, whip, whip. Affordable, affordable, affordable. Beat, beat, beat. Awkward, awkward, awkward. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Quiet, quiet, quiet. Polite, polite, polite. Noisy, noisy, noisy. Rude, rude, rude. improper, 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 manners, 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 etiquette, 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 appropriate, 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 elegant, 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 utensil, 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 touch, 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 pace, 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 tablecloth, 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 elbow, 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 feast, 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 gathering, 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 guest, 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 host, 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 habit, 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 appreciate, 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 bite, 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 custom, custom, custom. Okay everyone, that would be all from my part today. I hope this video helped with your pronunciation and your understanding of these words. Thank you so much for your attention, and until the next video. Bye.